Okay, it's this January 26, year 2008. I'm going to show you how to view two videos simultaneously. So how you do that? So you can use your YouTube. Here's YouTube. Okay, so you make sure you let YouTube download the whole video before playing it. So I'll let it download the video 1 and the video 2. This is the pilot view on my left side is a pilot view, and on my right side is the helicopter view. Okay, so I'll play around with it. So I'll make it synchronized. So show you So once I play, I will click this play button, play and play. Okay, so now I can now record the two videos simultaneously. Okay, yes.
Display Pokemon.
Nanti po ako na record Okay.
Ito ko kita nga. Sige. Okay.
Baka bumagsak dyan Bumakain dyan. Walang pataas. Anong sunod niyan? 7.5.
Okay, done. So, see that techniques? Very simple. You don't need a very special software. Just use a simple YouTube video. In fact, I tried playing four YouTube video here. You can play it simultaneously. Okay, it's a nice tool. Okay. Hello, what's your name? Huh? Ay, may video.
Ano sunod yan?